mukushanda umu Mwari pindirai, mukufamba umu Mwari pindirai, imo mukutamba umu ndine mazano obari muchipfuva kushanda tinoshanda asi azvikwani shuwa kutsvaga tinotsvaga asi azvikwani pindai mumwoyo pindai muchipfuva tese tiri kuvavarira tiri kushingirira Mwari ndiri kuzama ndiri kubatanza ndiri mutadzidzi manguva ndombokanganisa Mwari shungu dzangu nekutoya.
So guys, the weather's really bad. Let's hope my guess I end. Because if the electricity goes, there's gonna be a problem. Which need to and I want to do my washing, but I can't do it because of the bad weather in it. You feel me? So yeah, let's see, man. Let's see what we can do. Nyanda. The boys are so, but I'm going since just of now, obviously, I was in the woods together. My shops, so I'm going to take out to drink. That's it. Just what I don't want to I'm going to pin up my blankets. So, yeah, let's get it. Oh, yo, my that's your man. So, it's like later today, another interview. I'm going to go and see what I can get so that I will cook later today. I don't know, man. It was raining. And I feel like cooking, man. I feel like eating something chill cooked, but then about in Simbe. Let me see. Ninga bikeshi. So let's go to Pick and Pay Nyanda and see what's happening. Wadi gombono. Bara banzi ko imburuza stoko yona ya. Abo. Bosabote mpono ngoma na runzi bizatsizo.
Tuma bag mutwezi. Vanongo mpoka na 8 mari.
8 mari. Karonzi kaiko.
At Muslim bag.
Muslim bag. Abanga na ke black ere. Kazi ori chromas. Okay. Kazo rema gamenza. Mbo mari ko magamenza. 10 years. Iya kakapenga. Kana Maria.
Anoda 8 shit.
Kakapenga.
Kozo na mge potezi ga ruseru aturi bot.
Tinopedza.
Mutendera kana dombo no.
Maito ngona mama sina kwa wati machima 8 mari mabega. Magamenza 10 nesi.
8 mari wapa. Achima chimo 10.
Indo unotozotora kako ndakaita mari ke black. Ara big ke black me. Akakapenga kuti ndikesha. Ka chromas.
Uone ke potezi gara.
Yama wani. Karababi. Oh. Ya kare garnita. Mato. Ana shamar zako da daga tsuno ngorese. Oh. Ya kanopedza. Ya kikutesi kakapenga kuti. Amiri rizo. Okay, amana mukona masimasika. Mukayabara papa aspindi wako. Pa road bala mnyangori mukombi unoito chamizwa muri mukombi. Pa aspindi pa arageta nako. Utoita mugwa masina kuona ngori mukombi. Wazi namba dzako chama. 078
009
009
4091
4091
0786915
okay 4KT. Ando icho kutambidzo ri mukomba po chenda kumfakosi kubudiriro kumarimba wherever you are going kusvikira pasi ndio. Ana chitambidzo. Nemabhivharo. Nishangu zvese zvakadira. Ziripo. Everything is under control. Nema slides emvata. Kwane majaga kawangota ma slides zvako nini. Oyo, amana madi. Madi amana. Guys, I don't even know if the way I'm eating is normal. It's like 1 hour ago I bought chicken in. Right now I'm back again to get this one. I don't even know if it's normal, guys. Let me know in the comment section. I think chicken in I don't enough. Natural I know it's lost in issues I made it and then I'm going to no man and save every single let me go and grab something to eat in. Nyo garabaduze my fast foods. Yo. Today if I tell you how much I spend on food, you won't believe it. It's almost over $20 now. But anyways, sometimes you have to feed the boy that way, you understand? Man. Anyways guys, let's go home. It's at night now. Tomorrow I'm planning to go and see Anachanda's Maz. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go, but yeah, tomorrow I have to go Wabora and do some interview. So after this video, please go and check out interview Anachanda's Maz. I'm sure definitely the way and far I'll go there definitely. So yeah, now I'm going to eat and then we'll continue the move. So guys, yeah, catch you tomorrow. Let's get it. Ungeto alright, chocolate here.
Sorry.
$2. Where are the grown-ups in the libra?
I'm not in the libra.
Oh. Ritori porridge roto naga. Usama mborichika. Asirita mari. Aiwa, ngonipera ndachera. Bobolota sambuku. Alright, I say. So I guess it's another day another Zola. Just coming from buying the porridge nyana. Feel me? And yeah guys, I always complain with the garden. Don't wait 2 days now and but I've got one. The next day mangwana is finished. So as you can see, coming from getting another one. So it means per week do that 3 months every week. It depends the week. 3 months every week. And this chocolate one I don't know fina but that's what I'm fina so far. So I don't know man. Let's go home and see if we can make some steering nyana. Now it's around 12, imagine. I told my skirt. But because of the weather, it's still looking like my 7. So, those don't run me, but anyways, I'm going to attempt it. So, I'm going to 1 p.m. 1 a.m. It's just like for filling up your stomach. You understand? So, yeah, let's go and see what's popping. Let's get it. So, guys, as you can see, just place some water. Now, let's focus with this one. So like I opened a big hole. This one. So yeah. Let's do it. Okay. You see? I'm trying to budget. Let's see. That's enough. Second time, shy, done. Oh yo. The weather is better now. There's like a bit of sun. In the year, it's like around to 4. Yeah, it's to 4 right now. It's to 4, and I'm going to Pick and Pay because I wanna grab something to cook nyana. I wanna grab something to cook nyana, and also I wanna collect some money. There's a free giveaway that I promised you guys. Andiga. Yeah, doing the free giveaway chadakwita. So guys, this is what happened. We planned a free giveaway on Khadija's channel, and then I got post a video and then I want to go daro. There's no way she's gonna send them $10 because I'm going to send them. So I'm gonna do it my way to do the giveaway. So now she's pressurizing me. Because in Canada, we don't do breach of contract. And she takes. So now she's busy texting me, and I'm ignoring. Yeah, I'm sorry, but yeah, I have to. And the any pressure and she under breach of contract because she's doing this now. Please texting me, asking the numbers. I send this one man, send that, and I don't work like that. So what I'm gonna do is it's really easy. I'm gonna look for people that I'm gonna do free giveaway. Murodi, Jango Chagawan. Majapa Mario, it's like $60. So Jacoban, my 10. So that's which means you're like, yeah. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, this is neat. This is neat, I wanna lie. Let's go. Guys, it's later today. I mean the system. Oh guys, I promised you guys could see the chakora the chitenga scene like chikafu ndana rasta wagwana. So I also think I don't think I should Pick and Pay, but I please also now. So that's rush around, but I buy take away Shirimara because there's no time that you know the internet. So I pass now bigger. So I talk about that. Say going bonus no better. We're out here in the wood, so you can see. Guys, I should say to Makwana Edzang and Shagaram no, but I'm with you on a mad Vezang, man. No problem. Without Paco Mota Kangwa. But I'm hoodie man. Maybe I'm going to look set. But still, stay tuned.
Alcohol is a drug that really radically decreases people's medium to long-term orientation, right? It really focuses you on the present. It makes you not care. And for pure hedonism, there's nothing better than not caring. Alcohol is a catastrophe on many fronts because of that. And a huge proportion of violent crimes, exploitative crimes, rapes, a huge of those are conducted.
Mana. So now promise kuri chatura masina haya kunika giveaway. Tatanga ili tuwenda kwesi kwa siana. So far taona organization ile tanga and tukatoa tese wata unonga one or two things tukona nazo. So let's go and see what's going on.
Ndruguzama asiya rebanguwa mwari pindirai mukubata mwari pindirai mukushanda mwari pindirai mukufamba mwari pindirai. Sponsors obari muchipfuwa kushanda tinoshanda asi azvikwanishuwa kutsvaga tinotsvaga asi azvikwani. Pindai mumoyo, pindai muchipfuwa, tese tiri kuvavarira, tiri kushingirira mwari ndiri kuzama, ndiri kubatanza, ndiri mutadzidzi mwenguva ndombokanganisa mwari shungu dzangu nebudo yangu dai matisanganisa.
Unless you are paying for that.
Oh, so far Robert Daro. Alright, thank you. Amana mashinzgira amana maphotos abvumiswa. Sorry, we were just doing a vlog rakachita. Alright, so amana anzi masina atindero saka ngetoenda shopping and then we'll show you after mashinzgira from the people that we see. So stay tuned. So guys, mashinzgira mana anzi maphotos nema videos abvumiswa on Pick and Pay. And we have to pay for that, which is a lot of money. So we can't do that. Saka changoto zama kuona kuti tikakwanisa kubirizira chikuradzire but ya mamazona takatotsonga izvo takatotariswa macameras and everything varongoti nogezera. So we want to try by all means to just give you to show you apa phone yangu ndotodzima futi esas andi ngoma ndoto tikatotsisa yo pasa mana what else mafuta nakachitedzera futi ndinoto ngatorechi yeah, let's go. Gira por so de pana nunca so de wani ba. Unoona grocery rako 8 osho zvafamba sei apa unenge wabva waka budget ka 50 kana 60 wambochinjira maprice wapa tea here kuona mari yawedzera ne aita 58 okay 58 years. So guys, now we want to request in-drive to go where we are going. I don't know how much it's gonna be the in-drive, but I checked, it was like, I think $8, $7, $8. Tata, we're checking, we're going through another machine. orphanages ma organizations that takes care of the people. So I think in drive altogether is gonna be 15, 16, I don't know, man. Because I wanna go kurwachana. Asala kutaura de kupi. Because those niggas zipi zvitzira for cloud anika. But yeah, there's an orphanage center kwatiri it's down there. It's about $7 from where we stay. And then here's some of the stuff that we bought. As you can see, the Republic's there. Kadija kunifambisa mari kundodya mari akandidye mari yevanhu inini. But you know guys, mona kuti praise this and that. But I noticed that since the money was for the giveaway, it's still the giveaway, man. Whatever happens zvakaitika kwaari koko, and if kana kuti praise akamudyira mari yake, you know. But yeah, we did the giveaway though. You feel me? Apana agreement ya break, apana chichetika. She wanted us to do the giveaway. She sent me the money for the giveaway, and this giveaway that we're doing here. You feel me? And this is my cameraman. Segerera shamwari. Yeah. Oyo. Ane channel yake ngoma ne yakanzi Dario KD. Ndiana face wangu nipereke zoo. Shinoita giveaway. Saka manaka panapa kunoita in drive. Tiende ku orphanage. Apa phone yawe sikubatika, she tried to call it but avasikubatika. So guys, now we're going to donate the stuff. Yeah, this stuff is probably donated by Khadija Khan. Yes. Akatake press akabira mari yake ka. But you're the one who probably donated this. You feel me? To those who don't know the story, there's a girl that I was promoting a channel, and then at the end of it, I got a breach of contract. I got to break agreement, and then we work as per agreement. So she sent the money for giveaway to her fans. Since she was thanking her fans, say, okay, hold this for me. Okay, guys, I was saying, to those who don't know what's happening, there's a girl around Khadija Khan that I was promoting a channel. So she sent the money. She promised when I go to Canada, 1K subscribers, she's gonna send the money. Kwandiri to give away from Zimbabwe since he's in the UK. So she went to the social media to praise Mariake and praise Mariake. She's not answering. He's not answering my calls. What? Because of the pressure that she was giving me. At the end of the day, I'm a creator. I work with so many people. There are so many people that are promoting. I'll be editing people's videos and doing a lot of things. You feel me? So today we decided to go get some groceries. Then we're gonna be donating charity in the Mariake ndo ichashanda the coast the in-drive groceries nemwe mari achakwanisa kunwasiro maybe kana tana parugara vanhu mari yemuriwo and stuff. I don't know if we're gonna put them on camera boss, but we have to show them. Vangazoti kana zvomba kwedu, we go with you tokuradza ijirira tikuenda, and I'm gonna show you also ndichitaura nemunhu wekuorphanage wachino tikuya aizonzi ya welcome. So make sure you stay tuned and let's hope tosvika vanhu panya pane sign post and stuff. Unosvika chakanyatsora kuti pana pa orphanage. You feel me? Because you know people, they will think but otherwise just that taking my groceries in that big, and I'm not taking this to my mom or taking this anyway, but I'm taking it to the orphanage center. So let's go together. So guys, we just did the in-drive Nyana in-drive. The driver said he's coming here. So yeah, I think that's him. Okay. I'll to say my weight.
This was
I did it. And we actually straight. She told Buddha. Iri bom dar. So guys, tafika pa pani ronzi chako. Asikuona chi signpost. Asikuona chi signpost. So guys, ta disappointment. Kwa tafara kubaya tabaya go, and then people they were not picking up calls. So the driver wachana tadzoka naye apa anoti dropa kumfakos kuno. Kana dropa kumfakos. Saka takwenda kunonzi ku Wings of Grace orphanage. Ndokwataka kuendezve so sakanzi pakanyorwa signpost. We're gonna see it, and we wasted a lot of money because kuenda nekudzoka, and then nekuzora futi mufombi kuno. You feel me? Saka Let's go together, but no one what you know what to say. So she get answer about this for send post. I think the one yellow. Let's go. So okay, let's go. Let's see what's popping. Let's get it. Guys, tafika. Pakatonaka. Uzona. And I was expecting to maybe show so I thought that's so much structure so I'm guys, tafika. So let's get inside and see what's popping. So guys, tafika. We are here by the gate, as you can see. In dinner Rastapana. The screen is so dark, like yeah, but let's hope we will be visible. Potential near, I feel. Yeah, okay. Yeah, why for you? Masimba. No fara. So tichambo wana tambunzgo vamwana mutifollow yavo kuti amenoti vanokwanisa maybe kungana kukubate panamba dzainternet usaka namba idzo tokwanisa kuisa pascreen. Okay, akumana zvinhu zvenyu ndasvika nazvo vanhu vangazofunga kuti andakusvika ndokwandiri kuno classroom muchimuho muno. Okay, saka ama zvinhu zvenyu ndasvika nazvo ndichaisa namba pascreen apa kuna ukaita wabata direct uchangoisa namba pashona pascreen. Machi dzimba dzese madhomu mahostels womaofisi dza kukurechi womatoilet ari ndikakasinematoipoka to rakanaka kuti rakanaka sina womaliving room ndevanana ndikwe vana vadiki ndikwe vana vahombe. Okay, saka unokwanisa toyozita panenge paboarding like andika toachitombogara muliving room achitazva ari kuita sei vari munomo. This is beautiful. Okay, kuno kumatoilet staff nene. Okay, kumahostels. Wow, this is beautiful. This is the dining room. Wow, this is beautiful. And this is the kitchen. So guys, now we're leaving. Yeah, guys. Personally, I never expected that we're gonna see a building like this. I thought maybe we're gonna find something like this. Ungochifungira wesha. Kangoro katangu ina game ghetto. Because this thing, the fun thing is this thing chiri mu ghetto. You feel me? Mu ghetto inside the ghetto area. So something big that we were not expecting. But anyways, guys, to those who think praise the thief, kashika maremu ne shamari. Maremu ndangerechi ye giveaway. Taitachi giveaway. Exactly. It's just that it has been a giveaway. Kwatangasina kunge takawirirana because of kutadza kunzwanana kwatakaita. Zvinova zvakakonzerwa newo akatadza kuda kunzwanana nini. Guys, I've been working on akawanda and I work with a lot of people. Iye wacho I've been working with them. Ndakanazorana movhara. She trusted mini mari yake kakawanda chisenda mari yake titabasa ndika. And therefore munhu wese dango manya. It's like mukuside kwake wandika. But anyways, man, now we're gonna go back home and see what's happening. So stay tuned. We're gonna keep on giving you a lot of updates. Let's get it. So guys, we're trying to request in drive to go back. Kulana rasa man. Sipana hapo. Papa roads batiki bana. My driver ina kutoganza zvao. My driver, I feel like my driver asi familiar mageto zirudaro because akunyanye kuya vanhu. Awiwa nakarenga muno inouya kunoka. Unewana kana munhu anabva kutown ari requesta and then pawangu requesta in areas. Why is it? But yeah guys, tumunombo. Ndinofopera sei.
Trikushingirira mwari ndirikuzama. Trikubatanza. Ndrimutazi nguwa ndombokanganisa mwari shungu dzangu nebudo yangu nematisanganisa. Ndomboshinga dzimwe nguva ndombopingwa. Ndine mazano. Obari muchifuwa.
Segeza. Taswakaita mndu wanakumana. Kwela bro makitu hizi. Malaba. Bro.
Tiye katija yeye ari kutaura nyaya dzari kutaura zvaanoziva. let's see boba nduchi at least ichi mari yake yatinga zvizvo vanhu
zvaenda ndo vari kubonosiya jesu
kukoshesa wamwana weziya zvitowana
atitike zvavanochema
ayo koneni tokwanisa kuwana mari yedu tiwana zvinhu zvinowana
babo
yarande
mana hapana
tenda mwari nezvo because wamwe tokwanisa kugara mwari
because kwatatobva tunopa mwana asina kusikwanisa kusitaika pedza tarasvika nyinorodhi masese waiziya sejeza lune the shop ikurendeswa basi midopati so amanaka ukunzwa uda kuitora but I'm sure inodhura chete machi 900
sina dola hatifaniro jera izvungoti ndozvazviri hatifaniro jera izvugara munamo hatifaniro jera izvutagore sina uchagangu hatifaniro jera izvugara sina dola hatifaniro jera izvungoti ndozvazviri mwari pindirai mukubata umu mwari pindirai mukushanda umu mwari pindirai mukufamba umu mwari pindirai imo mukutaura.
Whoa, yo, thank you guys for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Guys, tell me if you have done the right thing. And I wish your man was gonna be for giveaway. I did the giveaway. I just did it the way I wanted to do it, or the way another for long enough to since he provoked me, since he messed up with my brand. Never to Mario, never to Mario. See compensation. You go to atamba ni brand rangu. Akaita inonzi formation of character ndizo real news zamtemo. But yeah, ini hangu at the end of the day ndrimuno nyama. Ndinotobatikana singaite especially munhu akatamba nichi chinondisa chikafu patable. But anyways guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. So my channel promotion is going to end this year. Next year I'm going to take hopefully test zviite. So those who want to join, you can join the tichiri kuzviita. Because kufunga kuzozvisiya as time goes on, especially next year. And guys, I'm thinking of opening a business, maybe a restaurant or something. But you know, restaurant, you don't need something on the makanzu, and food, so I was thinking of opening a shop. You need my ice cream, my milkshakes, my waffles and stuff. You know, to my cute dates for cute buddies. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I got a shop already. Asada ipadara. Maza chetu balanza. Imali utenga shinene. But this idea ruga. But she says to start the suzo crash hero. Suzo crash one. Nikuda kukuti antina license. Raya resko matirere. Sanda kashoka kanzu nungo trama and stuff. So those who know my links or one who can help me. Anaro wadondirendesera license racho or anokwanisa kundibatsirawo naro ikundorwana sei in affordable amount you know what I'm saying. And you know tingori geti roots ago pekubuda napo pulo chanana matisana choti mwari vativhenekere sara skichide nzira dzekufamba nadzo blink 4 ine zamana toda singaita vanojoina ma channel promotions. Don't forget to hit me up number dzangu +27619643402. I think yaka DJ taisa sellotape taisa glue to trash pikiri nesando and we nailed it yapera yakadaro. Yeah, thank you guys for your love and support. Vakunisupporta vacharamba vachisupporta nevacharamba vachisupporta nevachazondisupporta kusvika mukufa. Ndokuda isingaiti. Peace out.